See, there is a very interesting statement. They say, some things, absolutely some things that are possible in practical are not possible in theory. And there are some things possible only in theory, impossible in practical. Right? People generally say, this is possible in theory, practical alla same day. Yes or no? But think of this Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a global dictionary, if you ask me, in short, right? And it is updated till the moment we are talking, it is updated even with today's data, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Think of this, can that be done by just one person? No, it is a collaborative effort. Something which was possible in theory, impossible in practical, is now possible. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
And especially Wikipedia, it is impossible in theory, but it's possible in practical, right? So AI is such a technology, we have to first come in terms with that, right? And we should also be, having the ethical and responsible processes and policies in place that the moderation of the AI data should not be given to one governing body. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Right? And it's the same reason why cryptocurrency is used across, because the peer-to-peer, there is no governing body. Like you have an ICICI bank, I have SBI bank, I transfer money to you. If RBI wants to interrupt there in between, they can do. Right? There is a governing body. But cryptocurrency, there is no governing body. It's a peer-to-peer system, right?
Yes.
Like that, in AI, while you are creating the data sets, there has to be a governing body, right? Not individual, even you can create your own data set, right? With the existing Olama, Mistral or some popular, AIs. But what I'm saying is the data set that you have can just be supporting you, or it can be a community driven with a lot of information that can be beneficial for the whole organization. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.